So the peppers, onion, and garlic, they've been soaked and they've been rinsed. And so now what I like to do is I don't like to go straight across, I like to go down, and I take charge of my blade so I don't get cut. And I just I go around that core. And I'm not gonna pull the seeds out, I like to put the seeds into the blender as well. So that's what I do right there. And then I'll throw this into the blender. I'm gonna give it a good cut first. Depending on how good your blender is, I'm using a friend's blender, I'm at their home. And it's not the commercial blender I'm used to, so I'm gonna make sure that I cut these into small little segments and then throw that in there. I'm gonna do the same little thing I just did with the Anaheim pepper. I'm gonna do that with this jalapeno. Just gonna cut around like that. You can see I just cored it out, and I'm gonna throw that in there as well. Actually, I'm gonna give that a little cut, just to make sure that it's small enough for the blades for your household blender. I'm gonna do the same thing with cutting a yellow onion, just regular yellow onion. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in 2 big cloves of garlic. And these other cloves, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these later when I make the carne asada. And I'm gonna go ahead and press those into the carne asada. So you see I already have these cut. Boom, boom, throw that in there. And then this onion here, I'm probably gonna use about a quarter of it right now. And then the rest of this will be going into my carne asada mixture. I'm going to use all 3 of these jalapenos, and then like I said, I'm going to throw in about a cup and a half, 2 cups of water, and all of this cilantro that I still need to rinse. Thank you.